Watch this video and learn how to draw a jellyfish in the ocean.
Come on kids, let's learn, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie. You're in a good mood.
Yeah.
What should we draw today, Artie? Do you have any ideas?
Artie doesn't know. No, I don't know.
I know. Let's draw a jellyfish.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, yes, please.
Are you sure?
Yes, please. Oh.
Okay, well, go and get your paper and your markers.
Yeah. Artie, go get.
Go on then.
Okay. Thank you.
My pleasure, Artie.
Hi, kids. Did you guys bring your paper and your markers?
Okay, Artie. Are you ready to start, Artie? 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 Are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Great. Well, let's begin.
Okay.
This is going to be fun.
Hey, Betty, I wonder what Artie's gonna create today.
I'm sure it will be fabulous.
Let's start by drawing our jellyfish's eyes. We'll start with the left one, right in the middle of the page, a big oval shape. That's it, Artie. Now draw another oval shape inside of that one, a little bit smaller though. Very good. Now let's draw another oval shape inside, but shade this one in black. Okay, now we have a left eye. Should we draw the right one, Artie?
Okay.
Let's draw another oval shape beside the first one. Try and make it about the same size if you can. Don't forget oval number 2 inside. And now oval number 3, but shade this one in black, remember.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw the body of our jellyfish. A little curve underneath the left eye, and then from the top of that curve, come all the way around towards the top of the head. That's perfect, Artie. Now let's do exactly the same on the right side, but this time reflected, as if it's a mirror image. Very good. Now let's join the top together with the top of our jellyfish's head. Let's join the bottom of our jellyfish together, Artie.
Yeah.
Draw a straight line from the left side to the right. He looks very happy. Oh, let's give him a smile so he can show us that he's happy. Let's draw a big open mouth. That way we can put some teeth inside.
Teeth.
Yes, Artie, teeth. I mean, I don't think jellyfish really have teeth, but this is a cartoon, so we can do whatever we want.
Can you tell what it's gonna be, Betty?
Not yet.
Let's draw some lines so that we can show that he has 5 teeth. Now let's add a tongue, a sort of top of a heart shape. That's it. Jellyfish have lots of legs. They're not really legs, they're called tentacles. So let's start with the first one, a swirly line. And let's draw another swirly line just beside that one. That way it looks like his tentacle has some thickness. Let's draw another tentacle right next to the first one. Just draw a nice long swirly shape and then another one besides it to give the tentacle thickness. You're having fun, Artie. You really love drawing, Artie. Now we're going to draw another tentacle, but let's make this one different. Let's draw a ziggy-zag line all the way from the top to the bottom. Zig, zag, zig, zag. That's it. Now go all the way back up with another zigzag shaped line. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. That's it, Artie.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Best day of my life.
Well, it's definitely fun, Mikey, but I don't know if it's the best day of your life. I certainly hope not, but I'm happy you're having fun watching Artie draw. How many tentacles has Artie drawn so far, little artist? Let's start from the left and count. Okay, there's a short one there on the left. That's 1. Then there's another swirly shaped one. That's 2. Then there's the ziggy-zag shaped one. That's 3. Then there's a really long swirly one. That's number 4. And Artie just finished number 5. Dance break, did you say, Artie? Oh, you want a dance break? Okay, we can stop and have a dance break. Go on then.
Clap along, little artists.
I think the audience will agree with me, but it has to be a 10.
Dancing is great fun.
And good exercise.
Great dance break, Artie. I love how you were clapping in time to the music.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Let's finish this drawing of a jellyfish.
Okay.
Let's add another zigzag-shaped tentacle. Wow, Artie, you've really got the hang of this zigzag drawing style.
Yeah.
Look at him go, little artists.
He's so good at drawing.
Jellyfish are very beautiful, but little artists, if you ever see one in the ocean, be careful because sometimes they can sting, so never touch a jellyfish. Just look at them and admire them from a distance. Artie, I think there's room for maybe, 2 more tentacles. Oh, you went for a swirly one. I thought maybe you'd do one last zigzag-shaped one. He's looking really good, Artie. I like how you sing when you draw, Artie. Oh, I had an idea. Why don't we add some bubbles above our jellyfish? Draw a large circle towards the top on the left side. Sometimes it's easier to draw large circles in sections. It's difficult if you try and do it all in one go. Now let's draw 4 little sort of windows inside the bubble. That will make the bubble look like it's shiny. Oh yes, Artie, it's looking really shiny.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
How about another bubble just below the first one, a little bit smaller this time? Don't forget to draw the little windows. It's looking really good, Artie, but there's a lot of empty space above on the right side. What could we put there, Artie? Oh yes, of course. One more bubble. Now it looks like our jellyfish is under the ocean and he's blowing little bubbles. Well, that looks finished to me, Artie. Finished! I thought so. Well, I guess it's time to colour it in.
Artie, are you going to color it in now?
I think you should.
What a great job, Artie. He came out so good. I love his blue colour and I love his pink tongue.
See you later, Artie.
Have a great day, Artie.
Thanks for watching, little artists. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.